what it is.
Welcome to the YouTube channel, and let's start today with a new video.
And it parks itself?
It parks itself into a boat and then into a truck. And then that truck's gonna go into that truck.
Oh my god.
And that truck's gonna go into that Jeep. And that truck's gonna go down the hill.
About $400 million
Adjust your speed.
for Aaron Judge. We saw an aging reliever just got from the Red Sox. Jameson Taillon from the Cubs. Wilson Contreras from the Cardinals. So the Yankees didn't do anything.
Look where you're going.
Oh my god!
Always look in the review mirror multiple times. Always adjust your speed in snowy condition. Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep your distance between the cars. Respect traffic light. Look where you're going.
Of Chief Justices, which took the unusual step of filing a brief in this case.
It would be hard to even know exactly what that meant.
Oh! My lord! Chocó! Dios mío. Oh my lord.
Pay attention to the other cars in
What the
traffic.
fuck, bro? You dumb motherfucking cunt! I know how to fucking drive crazy. Oh my god.
Oh, no mames. Hijo de su puta madre, no mames.
Don't take away the right of the way from the other cars.
Wow, nice wreck. Right in front of a cop.